Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. This is my exercise for the activity of my alter ego. Well, my alter ego, I don't have any special hero or someone that I admire a lot. I consider that everybody has a superhero inside of us, so my alter ego are myself, but I call him Super Andrew. Well, the first point said that practicing sport during my life have helped me to be very healthy, so I can control the stress and support pressure in any work. I have to read a lot. I love to read a lot, and I have learned more in books than in a school or a university. I have made many mistakes since I was a boy. Because of this, I have learned many ways to surpass any problem. I have discovered that happiness can be in simple things, and you shouldn't be a slave of money and possessions. I help people to discover their own superpowers to be successful in life. I've made many mistakes since I was a boy. Because of this, I have learned many ways to surpass any problem. I have traveled to a cafeteria in Colombia that is a wonderful region, plenty of beautiful places, great food and wonderful coffee. I've been in many fairs in the country, in Cali, Cartagena, Medellin, Boyacá. I love cultural expressions to know local folklore. I've been in the first concert of Soda Stereo in Bogotá, in Santa Maria Ballroom. It was something unforgettable. We rent a car with my classmates in second semester to travel to Guamo to Lima in 1996 for a wedding of a friend. We really have a crazy adventure. I've been in many rock, blues, jazz and salsa concerts. It is an incomparable experiences. I haven't traveled abroad yet, but I'm working to do it. I think I may travel to other countries really soon. I may practice an art like paint, photography, or writing in my future, but I'm not sure if I could travel to the moon before I die. Thanks. Bye.